Top 3 apps to save money in today's days. Who doesn't want to save some cash? So here are my top 3 picks to help with that, so let's get started. 1. Credit Karma. Credit Karma is an American multinational personal finance company. Its features also include free tax preparation, monitoring of unclaimed property databases, and a tool to identify and dispute credit report errors. All of Credit Karma's services are free to consumers. Revenue from targeted advertisements for financial products offsets the costs of its free products and services.
So much depends on your credit, from the big decisions to the little stuff every day. Because your credit is so important, we didn't think it was fair that you'd have to pay just to manage it. So at Credit Karma, you'll get your credit score, credit report, and credit monitoring all completely free.
You can check your score and report anytime, and print your report for your records. At Credit Karma, we give you the tools to help you make the most of your credit. The next step is up to you. Start now.
2. SeatGeek. SeatGeek is the smart way to buy and resell tickets to thousands of sporting events, concerts, festivals, and Broadway/theater shows. Tickets are backed by SeatGeek's 100% buyer guarantee, and resellers may list tickets above or below face value.
This is Anna. She's crazy about football. Her team is playing at home next week and she really wants to go. But when she looks for tickets, they're all sold out. Anna doesn't know where else to look. There are hundreds of confusing websites, and scalpers are sketchy. But then, Anna discovers SeatGeek. SeatGeek finds tickets from hundreds of sources and puts them all in one interactive map. Anna easily buys the best deal, with 2 taps and no surprises. When game day arrives, Anna scans her ticket using SeatGeek and gets to her seat before the first snap. SeatGeek, the smart way to buy tickets.
3. Honey helps us to shop smarter by automatically apply coupons at 20,000 plus sites. Watch items and receive price drop alerts. Get the best deals on Amazon with on-page price comparisons. Save up to 55% on hotels.